around the house. Clock,
clock, clock.
Can you read a clock to tell the time?
Chimney,
chimney. Smoke escapes from buildings through the chimney.
bookcase,
Bookcase. A bookcase is a place to store books. Blanket,
blanket. This lady looks comfortable under her white blanket. Clock,
clock. Chimney,
chimney,
bookcase,
bookcase. Blanket,
blanket.
fence,
Fence,
The sheep look out through the fence.
wardrobe, wardrobe.
We can hang and stack clothes neatly in a wardrobe. Roof,
roof.
The man is repairing a house's roof.
Pillow,
pillow. How many pillows are there on your bed? Gate,
gate.
the rider opens the gate and then rides his horse through it.
shoe rack,
Shoe rack. He is putting his shoes on the shoe rack. Fence,
fence.
wardrobe, wardrobe.
Roof,
Roof,
Pillow,
pillow.
gate.
gate. Shoe rack.
Shoe rack.